Hey everyone! Struggling to find those hard-to-detect leaks in your car's EVAP system? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm showing you the best smoke leak detectors that'll make diagnosing leaks super easy and save you time and money. Stick around till the end to find out which one suits you best. Check out the links in the description for the full details and prices. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ancel S300 Car Smoke Leak Detector. The Ancel S300 Car Smoke Leak Detector is an invaluable tool for anyone serious about keeping their vehicle in top condition. This device uses a built-in air pump to generate smoke that travels through your car's pipes, helping you easily pinpoint leaks in your EVAP system, fuel tank, or pipes. With its easy-to-use interface, the S300 is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, ensuring you don't miss any small leaks that could turn into big, expensive problems. The tool is compatible with 12V vehicles, making it versatile for a wide range of cars. Whether you're tackling regular maintenance or troubleshooting an issue, the S300 ensures that you have a reliable solution for diagnosing EVAP system issues. By identifying problems early, you can save yourself time and money on costly repairs. The Ancel S300 simplifies automotive diagnostics and gives you peace of mind knowing that your car's performance is in top shape. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to maintain the health and efficiency of their vehicle. Number 2. Foxwell SD203 Automotive Smoke Machine. If you're looking for a practical, easy-to-use solution for diagnosing leaks in your vehicle's EVAP system, the Foxwell SD203 Automotive Smoke Machine is a great choice. This smoke machine is equipped with a 12V built-in air pump, which allows you to quickly detect vacuum leaks in your car's fuel system. One of the standout features of the SD203 is its compact and user-friendly design. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a professional technician, this tool simplifies the leak detection process, saving you time and effort. The smoke generated by the machine circulates through your vehicle's system, helping you find hard-to-detect leaks, which is crucial for maintaining your car's efficiency and performance. What makes the Foxwell SD203 even more attractive is its affordability without compromising on reliability or performance. It offers excellent value for money while delivering precise results. If you're tired of spending time and money at the repair shop, the SD203 will quickly pay for itself by helping you find and fix leaks at home. Number 3. Ancel S3000 Car Smoke Leak Detector. For professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts, the Ancel S3000 Car Smoke Leak Detector is a high-performance diagnostic tool designed to tackle even the most challenging leaks. This advanced smoke machine offers an automatic vacuum test that ensures you can detect even the tiniest of leaks in your vehicle's EVAP system. Whether you're dealing with fuel pipes or the entire system, the S3000 provides the precision you need. Its simple, intuitive design makes it easy to operate, so you can focus on finding issues quickly and efficiently. Beyond its ease of use, the S3000 is built for durability, ensuring it will last through multiple uses and provide accurate results each time. It's perfect for anyone who wants to ensure their car is running optimally without spending hours or a small fortune at the repair shop. The S3000 is an essential tool that can save you money by identifying and fixing leaks before they become costly problems. If you value precision and reliability, the S3000 should be your go-to diagnostic tool. Number 4. Autool SDT10312V Automotive Smoke Machine. The Autool SDT10312V Automotive Smoke Machine is the ultimate tool for diagnosing leaks in your vehicle's EVAP system, fuel lines, and more. With its built-in air pump and easy-to-use interface, the SDT103 makes leak detection fast and efficient. This tool is designed to work on 12V systems, making it compatible with most cars, trucks, and vans. One of the standout features is its ability to detect vacuum and smoke leaks, which are often difficult to find without the right equipment. Whether you're working at home or in a professional setting, the SDT103 delivers precise results, allowing you to identify leaks early and avoid costly repairs later. It's a great option for DIYers who want to take control of their car's maintenance without relying on expensive repair shops. The SDT103 is designed for durability and consistent performance, ensuring that it will last for years. It's the perfect tool for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's health and efficiency, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Number 5. Ancel L300 Smoke Machine Automotive Leak Detector. The Ancel L300 Smoke Machine Automotive Leak Detector is a compact, yet highly efficient tool designed for pinpointing leaks in your vehicle's vacuum system. Whether you're working on the EVAP system, oil pipelines, or fuel lines, the L300 offers a reliable solution for identifying leaks early. Its built-in air pump generates smoke that circulates through your car's pipes, helping you quickly detect issues that could otherwise be overlooked. One of the best features of the L300 is its portability. It's lightweight and easy to transport, making it an excellent choice for both professional technicians and home mechanics. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or tackling a more complex issue, the L300 helps save you time and money by finding leaks before they turn into major problems. With its durable build and efficient design, the L300 ensures that your vehicle is always in optimal condition. If you're looking for a dependable, portable smoke machine, the Ancel L300 should be your top choice. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.